Followed by Malan Sahabi, the chief imam of Gambia Central Mosque. Nigeria! Note that we, the Arewa Democrats for Atiku, resident in Arewa State, we came today to interface with you. Besides that, we have great respect for your office and we are highly loyal to your office. In view of the present trend and convergences, the PDP administration started with you. Most of us, the PDP administration in Nigeria started with you. Right from Peter Odile area, we know you very well and we know what we can do. And luckily enough, you are the director of the Atiku campaign team here in River State. We thank God for your mutual understanding and we thank God for every assistance given to the Northerners. Besides that, we are here today to express our sincere and heart-feeling appreciation of your contribution towards the party. We know very well that Alhaji Abubakar Atiku Waziri Adamawa is the presidential flag bearer of the PDP, undisputable. We know very well that with your contribution, inshallah, Atiku will be the president of Nigeria. With Atiku in the government, and you as the DJ, the nerve center of government, we know there will be sustainable development. With a lot of insecurity, poor infrastructures, serious problem economically, and the political instability in the country, we know with Atiku, Abubakar Waziri Adamawa, in the nerve center of government, we will straighten all these things from all look of things. Besides that, we have the belief that with your contribution, people like you, Chief Honorable Dr. Abiy Sagibo, the DG of the Atiku campaign trail in the Niger Delta here, with you, we know very well there will be sustainable peace and development. Besides that, we have the belief that with PDP government, this year, inshallah, Nigeria will smile again. Nigeria shall smile again. The economic commutation, the insecurity, and the problems everywhere and there, we believe Atiku has the vast experience in conflict resolution. We believe Atiku can deliver the goods. We believe Atiku can do the best for Nigeria because he is virtually everywhere, is naturally accepted. Besides that, he's not a tribalistic person. He can carry everybody along. And the reason is this: we don't know Atiku for now. Chief Abiy is our Atiku here. We the Northerners here. Some of us have been here before the war. Some are born and brought up here. Today in River State, we the Northerners, we are more than 2 local governments. And we have our PVC intact. Yes. We justified what it is. Now that Chief Abiy be the DG of Atiku campaign, we have to queue behind him because we know him right from the inception of PDP in Nigeria. We know him, we know what he can do. He's a good struggler. He is man of his word. He gave his appointment and we made it today. Because of his man of his word, he's given his appointment. From all look of things and from all indication, we want to once more again thank you for giving us the opportunity to see you today. We thank you again once more for carrying us along. We are part and parcel of you. We are going to work together with you. We have believed in that. We cannot go much. We have 16 zones of where Northerners are very densely populated here in River State. Besides that, we have our zonal leaders and the ESCO of Arewa Democrat for Atiku. We cannot express all this in verbally now, not in order to take your time. But most of our requests on how to galvanize support and sensitize our people at various levels is contained in this paper. Besides that, Rivers State is a cosmopolitan state. It carries everybody along, whether Christian, Muslim, from any tribe. Rivers State is a very good state. But of recent, we discover some ill-motivated feeling in the administration of the state, which we know that is lack of focus and good advisors. The nitty-gritty of the politician here, we know very well. We know the Rivers indigenous who are liberal. We know natural Rivers State, they like people, they are lovely, and they are caring. But of recent, we're not here to discredit any government or any administration. But of recent, we discovered that some doesn't have allegiance to the party supremacy. We can say this categorically clear everywhere, that when the party primaries was going on, we the Northerners residing here, we stood by a Rivers indigenous who was contesting for president. Now he has failed, and the party has not come out with a resolution. So we stick to the party discipline and party. We want to strengthen the party discipline. What the party says, what we go by the party. Because we're in Rivers State, and Atiku is there, we cannot avoid Rivers man. But now the Rivers man has failed. He has defeated Woodley through a transparent party primaries. We have to ensure our goalpost to the winner. We cannot make confrontation with anybody. As such, we intend to give you our support. In your capacity, DG, when the time for the rally come, I promise you, I will send a text to you. We can bring 10,000 Northerners, Muslims and Christians. When we say Northerners, there are Christians and Muslims in the whole of North. In Rivers State here, we have Christian and Muslim of Northern extraction. We can bring 10,000 members of our district to rally. Whether APC or any political party today, I can assure you, they are all in PDP, they are with you. Even because we streamline the numbers, we could have filled this compound today. But because we say, you need only few. We could have filled this compound today with registered member of this party. As such, I will not prolong your time. All what we have is contained in this paper, sir.
I want to apologize that I came in late. I was on a TV program when the DJ told me, and the moment I finished, I came down here. First of all, I want to say something that is very important to me. In course of doing my work, one day I went to my hospital and I saw an uncountable number of Hausa Fulani community that work in NPA that traced me to my hospital and said to me that for standing by Atiku Okowa despite the threat, that they will also talk to other Northern brothers to give me support anywhere they see me. I want to tell us today that the Northerners, the Hausa Fulani community and Rivers people has always been one from the inception of time. And this oneness that you people have maintained by coming here today, we will push it to a greater level. And we will demonstrate that by bringing our support together, that on February 25th, 2023, in a few days from now, we will bring Atiku into Asura. So I want to welcome you. Like the spokesperson here has said, the PVC will speak. Nobody will cause disunity between our Northern brothers who have been very industrious and has participated and contributed to the economy of Rivers State. We will continue to work together and see to the end of this project. And inshallah, come 25th of February, Atiku will be the next president of Nigeria. Thank you and God bless you.
About your visit today, I'm happy because in this our project we need all hands on deck. We need all hands. When your convener says that you will mobilize 10,000 people, I said that is too small, but I know that the Arewa community in Rivers State is more than 250,000. I know that they are more than 250,000. So mobilize only 10,000 is not enough. I want you to mobilize the entire 250,000. Let all of them come on this project. I have closely worked with the Arewa community in Rivers State from 1992 when Alhaji Kwande and us were doing NRC in this state. Under Okilo, Chief Memphis Okilo, we had our father Danu, Alhaji Danu, in this town, who was our backbone in NPM. So my relationship with the Arewa community in Rivers State dates back to the 70s after the war. Alhaji Danu was like our father. His children were our friends and our brothers. And we have always lived together. There has never been a problem between the Arewa community and Rivers people. In fact, the Arewa community people in Rivers State are Rivers people themselves. Like you said, when a Rivers son was contesting for presidency, you supported him because you're part of us. And I thank you for pointing that out. Now we are at a point where we need to rescue and recover Nigeria. Only PDP can do it. And only the Waziri Adamawa, Alhaji Atiku Abubakar, GCON, former Vice President of Nigeria, with great experience, is the one who can do it for our country. So I thank you for coming. We have work on our hands. We have a job to convince everybody who is of voting age to come out that day and vote for PDP, to vote for the umbrella, to vote for Atiku Abubakar as president of Nigeria. For us in Rivers State, those of you who live around One, Okrika, Eleme, Okubolo, Kana, around Bori, you know the reach of Atiku Abubakar in that axis. Since he made sure that One port is working, he brought intels there. There been so much business, and a lot of us depend on that business that Atiku Abubakar brought to Rivers State. He didn't take it to Adamawa.
No.
He didn't take it to Lagos.
Yeah.
He brought it here. As far as we are concerned in Rivers State, Atiku Abubakar is a son of Rivers State. He's a son of Rivers State. And so the Rivers people will support him in full. On the voting day, and we thank INEC for what they've done for bringing beavers.
Yes.
On the voting day, it is you and your beavers.
Yes.
You go and you vote. Vote for Atiku Abubakar. I'm not going to say vote for who will tell you. No, vote for Atiku Abubakar. There's only one candidate.
Yes, sir.
For us in Rivers State, and you are here, I will tell you, majority of us in Rivers State are Christians.
Yes.
But we live well with our Muslim brothers and sisters. We want that relationship to be strong. We don't want a Muslim ticket. We don't want a Christian ticket. We want a Muslim Christian ticket. And Atiku Abubakar has given us a Muslim Christian ticket. And that's what we stand for.